Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the Limural PRO K11S, a hair clipper that's been getting a lot of attention. Is it the reliable, affordable clipper you've been looking for? Let's find out! Let's start with the unboxing. First up, we've got the Barber cape, followed by a lightweight comb and some manuals. Next, you will find the essentials: blade oil, a cleaning brush, and a charging cable. Then we move on to 11 attachment guards, ranging from 3mm to 51mm, including specialized ear guides. And finally, the star of the show, the clipper itself. It feels solid with a sleek metal casing and an ergonomic design that for the price seems surprisingly professional and high quality. It even came 81% charged right out of the box, so we are almost ready to go without needing to wait long for a charge. Overall, a great start to what looks like a promising product. Let's go through the guide combs quickly. Left and right ear comb, followed by the standard sizes: 3mm, 6mm, 10mm, 13mm, 16mm, 19mm, and the extra long ones, 32mm, 38mm, and 51mm. Now, comb number 10, the 38mm, is giving me a hard time. The instructions say to align the guide comb with the blade edge and press down until you hear a snap. But it's just not clicking. Let's try the 51mm. No issues there. Back to the 38mm. Alright, got it this time. Guess it just takes a bit of practice. Now let's dive into what makes the Limural PRO K11S stand out. One key feature is the adjustable taper lever, which lets you fine-tune the blade length without needing to switch guards. This is a game changer for blending and fading, giving you precise control over your cuts. The clipper also features an intuitive LED display. A red light on the left and audible alert reminds you when all is needed, while the red light on the red side flashes if the battery drops below 5%. A blue light indicates a full charge, and the clipper can be charged via USB or with an adapter, making it versatile for any setup. Alright, let's see this clipper in action. Now, as you can tell, I'm not exactly a professional hairdresser, but I'm giving it my best shot. First things first, gotta oil up the clipper to keep it running smooth. With the Barber cape on my Brave model, I'm diving in, trying out a few different guides. And you know what? It's surprisingly easy to use. When I started cutting, the battery was at 80%, and by the time I was done, it had dropped to 66%. That's just 14% for a full haircut, which is pretty impressive for an amateur like me. No snags, no issues, it held up great throughout. Alright, let's break down the pros and cons of the Limural PRO K11S. First off, the robust metal case feels high quality, you've got lots of attachment options for any hairstyle, and the taper level makes blending and fading a breeze. It's also great that it charges via USB and has solid battery life, about 6 to 8 haircuts on a full charge. On the downside, the device's charging port isn't a standard USB, so you are stuck with the specific cable it comes with. Some of the guides, like the number 10, were a bit tricky to install at first, but that got easier with practice. Lastly, there's no case for storage, which makes putting everything back into the box a bit inconvenient. To keep your Limural in top shape, maintenance is key. Make sure to oil the blades every few uses to keep them sharp and extend their lifespan. Remember, the clipper isn't waterproof, so avoid rinsing it underwater. Instead, wipe it down with a lightly damp cloth and use the attached cleaning brush to clear away hair from the blades after each use. As for battery life, the clipper takes about 3 hours to fully charge and provides around 5 hours of runtime, which is enough for 6 to 8 haircuts on a single charge. Proper care and regular maintenance will ensure that this clipper serves you well over time. After checking reviews online, I found that about 5 to 6% of users mentioned the clipper stopped working after a few uses, often due to battery issues. Some also noted it could be quite noisy. If that happens, definitely return it, as it's not supposed to be overly loud. From my personal experience, everything has been running smoothly for the past 3 months, and I've even picked up some haircutting skills along the way. Overall, it's been worth the purchase. I'll keep you posted with an update video after a year of use or so. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any future updates, including my 1-year follow-up on this clipper. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.